let's talk about risk. Risk is the chance that something bad might happen. It's like when you play a game and there's a possibility you could lose. In everyday life, risks are everywhere. For example, crossing the street. There's a risk of getting hit by a car if you're not careful. Investing money. There's a risk you could lose your money if the stock market goes down. Starting a new job. There's a risk you might not like it or it might not work out. So, risk is about understanding that things might not go as planned and thinking about what you can do to avoid or deal with those bad things. Watch our risk management video series to learn more. This is a Cyber Frontier Network production, defending the cyber frontier. Subscribe today. Thank you for watching.